Alright folks, so this is one of the last time, this is probably the last time I'm going to ride a Caltrain diesel train on a weekend like this, because next week will be September 21st and 22nd when there will be the new EMUs, will be the full launch, and there will be the new schedule. So right now I'm on the Millbrae Express, so that was part of the old schedule because I think in the future the Millbrae Express trains during the Giants games will be run by the new EMUs. So I'm in the Bombardier set right now, as you can see. These trains, next week when they'll be only reserved for the Gilroy, taming the Gilroy route where it's not electrified. So the SF to SJ portion will just be electric, and it's just the last time I've seen a diesel train running on the SF to San Jose corridor on a weekend.
San Diego or LA?
I've been back there, yeah. I've gone back there quite a bit.
And don't forget, folks, this is the last weekend for the old weekend Caltrain timetable.
I like Fenway a little bit better, but this place is beautiful. They're both kind of small. It's like kind of intimate, you know. Because I'll tell you, I'm a Dodger fan too.
There's the Caltrain graveyard over there, where you can see 919 in the distance.
Alright folks, welcome aboard. This is Special 2. We're going all the way to San Jose today. First stop, we're going to Express to Millbrae. Everything after all stops today.
There's 919 in the background.
After Millbrae, we're going to be hitting Broadway. That's our weekend only stop. Everything after. If you just joined us here, this is Caltrain Special 2.
Rest in peace,
For the
4
baseball
hours
passengers,
26.
please do not put your feet on the seats. Keep noise to minimum. I know the baseball
Those are all returned.
Everybody's got on the baseball. Everybody's excited and all that, but just keep in mind.
All returned.
Keep your hands to yourself and everything. Keep your noise down.
There's 900, rest in peace. The first Caltrain locomotive delivered, 1985. 913.
Caltrain has a zero color policy for that.
No, they came for the first time. They're down there too. So this is the first time they've been over here. So we went to the games last night.
There's the curve that we're going to pass once we leave SF. Last time on the weekend in the diesel.
Drive by now.
Train.
Spend a day, a Sunday there. They go to Dodger Stadium. It's just such a pain. You know, once you're inside the stadium, it's great. Traffic, parking, walking from your car to the stadium. It's just a pain. But it's a great experience. It's nice. It's old stadium, but it's nice. So it was Fenway. Fenway is really old.
So this is my last time, once again, leaving San Francisco on a diesel on a weekend.
I was just in San Diego last Sunday. It was 90 degrees Sunday. In San Diego. That's one of the hottest days. It was like the second hottest day.
We're going to express directly to
Yeah, so
Millbrae.
it's not like if it's that, like at my house, it's 100. But yeah. Last week we went through a real hot stretch. It was terrible. But I was in San. Actually, they played the Giants last Sunday, so I was over there in San Diego for the game, for Sunday game. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. I was there too. I was there when Mike Yastrzemski and Carl were there. I got pictures and everything. Yeah, hit the home run instead of Phil.
Last time on a diesel train passed through his tunnels.
I'm gonna. Yeah. I mean, it's Yastrzemski, but I'm gonna tell the story to you guys. I have the story of when I was little. Carl Yastrzemski. It's not a good story. It was at Anaheim Stadium. Like the early 80s. It was just me, my grandma was from Massachusetts, my aunt, all Boston fans. They all love Yaz. Back then they used to walk outside the stadium and go into their bus. Now they go on the bus in the stadium and they just take off. But back then they used to.
There's the EMU right there on the pass by here at 22nd Street. That's what we'll see on the weekend next week.
Who walks out? It's Carl Yastrzemski. He's all by himself. And I walked with him from entrance, down to the bus, and I was next to him. I must have said 15 times, "Can I autograph gas? Can I autograph gas?" He didn't even give me the time of day. He was older, but there's no excuse. I told my grandma on that because I kind of got lost. I found him. I said, "I'm not going to put gas in." It was on a gas card. So from that day, like my mom, like a few years later, he retired, and my mom was crying. And I said, "Mom, what are you doing? Don't cry for him. He's a jerk." You know, she's crying.
Iceland's Creek Yard,
This guy was
there's a school bus yard.
jerk to me.
Sorry, San Francisco Unified School
Well,
District.
there, he's an old man then, and I knew he was, all he had to do was just say,
There's a scrapyard
but
right
back
there.
then they were giving autographs.
And there's a Grumman LV getting crushed right there.
Business. I didn't have 10 cards from the sign. I had one card. They just signed my autograph. Yes. I tell that story every time I go back to Boston. I tell it. So that's what I think he has. So, great player, awesome player. It was. I was. Yeah. I've been on video and everything. Yeah, I was there for that game. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah. 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 Oh, yeah. I remember they did that. Yeah. Because I got the games on. I got Nesson at my house. All the games are on. And I also have WEI, which is the radio. Like today, I was listening to the game today. Of course, they lost. I was listening to WEI. I got a picture with him last year. Joe Castiglione, he's the main radio guy. He just announced his retirement today. He's like the kind of the Vince Scully of for the Red Sox. Yeah, he just announced his retirement, 40 years or so today. So yeah, I got a picture with him last year. I was there last year. You guys live in Millbrae? Oh, you guys are going. How long to ride to San Jose?
So we're going through Tunnel 4.
Stops. Yeah. Well, my plan is to get out until 8:50, but I've never done this before, so I was a little worried. I didn't know about this because the original said 4:58. So I said I'll get it. That was the regular, but I had no idea about this. Yeah. So
Bayshore
I
Station.
saw this. I said, well, it's going straight to Millbrae. I just thought, and I didn't have to wait long. I didn't have to
Sorry.
One of the last people to get on there. And so now I'm probably going to have 3 hours at the airport. But okay, yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, been a big shipyard, Navy shipyard. It was a big deal. It is. It's been gone for the 80s, late 80s. Okay. Yeah, it was like the late 80s. Yeah. I might go look this up. This wasn't on the app about this Millbrae Express. Now I'm happy. I just look for the time. I have to find the times. Okay.
There's the lagoon in
I didn't
Brisbane.
know because I got in here yesterday at 10:30 and I missed the train. Because I finally used the BART. I've never used that before. I used the BART to get to Millbrae. And then I get there and it's the train left like 6 minutes. But now it's every hour. So I just kind of hang out for a while. Oh yeah, on the weekends I saw it. Because I've been here during the week. The weekdays I've been here too. It goes every like 20 minutes or something. Oh, on the weekends. weekends, it's gonna change. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, the train that I took, the airport from Millbrae to our hotel, park, it was nice. It was like brand new train. I was like, yeah, they had all the stops on the screen and everything. It was nice. Yeah. I was like, this one is nice. This is kind of the one I've been on this. We always stay in San Marino instead of Frisco,
Oh, passing by South City.
just get on the San Bruno, just zip up here, just come back. It's the first time I've ever stayed in the city. That was my dad's. Look at this. Oh, I got something to show you. This just happened today. Check this out. This just happened today, and I left the game a little early. I ninth inning. Look who's at the hotel. Dusty Baker. That's me and Dusty Baker. Yeah, it's at the Via. It is nice, yeah. Yeah, I couldn't believe it. I'm walking in, I go, oh my God. And I saw him at he's at that ceremony today for Cepeda. And I saw him and I was like, oh, Dusty Baker, because I have a picture. I told him, but he had to leave. His car was there. I have a picture of him, early 80s with Fernando Valenzuela and Pedro Guerrero. And he had his arms around him. Because they used to have for Fan Appreciation Day, they let you go on the field, and the players would go around and you would take their pictures and stuff back then, which was like 82, 83. I have a picture, a great picture of Dusty Baker with his arms around Fernando and Pedro. That's what Fernando was like. Yeah, 30 home runs. Yeah. It's funny, my dad always used to talk about Sandy Koufax. It's like, oh, I got to see Sandy Koufax pitch. Vince really was a very likable person, you know. And then you got to see Juan Marshall today. I didn't even know that was him today. I did not, because he usually has a mustache. And I was like, I remember they used to battle Marshall and Koufax and Drysdale. That's all my dad's. Those are all my dad's. Yeah, he hit you. Any problem beating you? Yeah, the bad, I know. They did. They became good friends. Yes. And he wanted it. He said, yeah. Roseboro said you need to get this guy in the Hall of Fame because they were probably taking a little bit. The voters were taking it out of that incident. San Bruno. It is, yeah. Well, my mom needed, my stepdad needed a place for my mom that was close to walk. Boy, he found that. I've never even heard of the place. Like, I've been down here quite a few times.
There's SFO up in the background.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, my mom and my stepdad went and ate at this place right next to the hotel, and Logan Webb's around and mother and eating in the place they were down. They said that was going to be their last trip. Yeah. So then where are they going to go from Millbrae? Just going to go straight to San Jose, or now they're going to make a bunch of stops? Okay. This is a place for the airport, right? I can get the bar to go. Yeah, this is the main.
Right, we're arriving here in Millbrae, so close the video off. This gives a sample right of what it's like to ride the diesel train for one last time on a weekend.
I just went out there to take pictures and stuff. I didn't.
International Airport, Bill Bray. All right.
Well, thanks for letting me sit here, and thanks for this talk. Yep, thank you very much. Yep, I love go Red Sox, go Dodgers. We'll be home tonight till probably about 10:45, but that's the way it goes. Just wanted to make sure. What? They played the Braves. I think they played the Braves. Yeah. The Braves are pretty good pitchers. Yeah. All right. Take care, guys.
Most parents are like,